Again, let's take a look at two sets A and B. All of these points are elements of A, and all of these points are elements of B. We will consider the following function f from A into B. Let's say that this element gets mapped over here, this element gets mapped over here, this element gets mapped over here, this one goes over here, and this one maps over here. Note that every element of A goes to some element of B. So all of these elements are legitimate members of the domain of the function f. And that's why we would say A is the domain of f. Now, some of the elements of B have nothing mapping to them, and that's okay. B is called the codomain, but it's this collection right here of all the elements that are images of something in A are called the range. So this is the range, the entire thing is the codomain. Now let's restrict our attention to just a few points of A. Let's say that this right here is a subset, we'll call it C. And what we'll be looking at is the image of C in B. We know that the image of a point is another point that this point maps to. Well, the image of a set would be the collection of the images, all the images of the points in C. So these two right here are the images of elements of C. So we will refer to this as f of C, or the image of C.